Cambridge has just launched Climate Quest in Pakistan at a time when the country is experiencing severe climate shocks. Why do you believe it's important to engage children in climate education now?
At Cambridge, we believe that education is absolutely key to tackling the climate crisis. And Pakistan is one of the countries most affected by climate change, by floods, by heat waves, by air pollution, by water scarcity. We're already seeing how that's impacting communities. So, young people in Pakistan, which has one of the world's highest proportions of young people, will play an absolutely crucial role in shaping the country's future response to those kinds of challenges. So, against that background, Climate Change, Climate Quest is a free 2.5-hour online course designed to equip learners in years 8 to 12 with some foundational climate literacy and link local climate challenges to the whole issue and the whole science that underpins global climate change. We've developed Cambridge Climate Quest with experts at the University of Cambridge from the Cambridge Zero project in collaboration with environmental experts at the Lahore University of Management Science, which is allowing us to have tailored and localised content for Pakistan. But this isn't just about knowledge. Learners are encouraged to translate learning into community projects, fostering resilience and practical solutions.
Cambridge has a long-standing presence in Pakistan and is trusted by thousands of schools and families. How is Cambridge adapting its approach here to meet the unique challenges of the future education system?
So Cambridge has worked with schools and educators in Pakistan for more than 80 years. And I think over that time, we've built up trust for fairness and quality and innovation. We've now got a really strong community of more than 800 Cambridge International schools in the country. Around 100,000 English tests are taken here every year by learners, and we publish scholarly books and research by academics from Pakistan. Pakistan is also one of the countries where academics are supported by the Cambridge Open Equity Initiative, which is an initiative we started a couple of years ago. We listen to and we partner with schools and universities, governments and policymakers to make sure our programs meet local needs here while maintaining the highest global standards. So with Cambridge Climate Quest Pakistan edition, we've specifically tailored content to Pakistan's context, integrating events like the floods in 2010 or the heat wave in 2017 and Lahore's air pollution crisis, alongside national sustainability policies as well. All of that localisation shows the way that we're adapting our approach by combining global expertise with the local realities in countries like here. Beyond Climate Quest, Cambridge continues to innovate in assessment, digital learning and teacher development. We've also been working hard to ensure our assessments reflect the evolving digital landscape. So in June 2026, we're going to begin the rollout of Cambridge digital exams in selected subjects, and Pakistan is going to be one of the first countries to take part. Digital exams aren't going to be about replacing paper with exams. They're about expanding what assessment can do and the way in which we can use its potential to be more interactive, more timely, and more aligned with the ways that students increasingly learn.
The world our children are stepping into is changing faster than ever, with AI, climate crisis, and new kinds of jobs on the horizon. In your view, what are the most important skills and values education systems should focus on to prepare them for such an uncertain future?
So I think technological progress, climate change, the after effects of the pandemic, teacher shortages, shifting global dynamics, all of those are just some of the factors that are reshaping how all of us live and work. Our job in education is not only to prepare young people for the challenges of tomorrow, but to equip them with the skills that they'll need for a world that's already here. Being comfortable with using technology is not going to be enough. So this year, we conducted one of the broadest education surveys in international schools community to date. We captured the thoughts of more than 3,000 teachers and nearly 4,000 students across 150 countries to understand what they see as being vital to ensure that students are ready for the future. The voices from that survey form the backbone of our new report, Navigating the Future, Preparing Learners to Thrive in a Changing World. And we're going to be publishing that report this month. Education's also got to balance knowledge with skills, such as critical thinking, creativity, collaboration and problem solving,